Alright guys, box 10, case 1, 2007, Topps retail. Of course these all great boxes came from blowoutcards.com. Check out the forums, you'll see a username of ILoveFish2, that's me. Hopefully you'll see me in Baltimore. I was in my glory in Cleveland. Crumpler, Gore, Heat, postseason Urlacher. Going to start out with a Chad Jackson. Good way to start. Copper for my set. Drew Stanton, Rookie Fantasy Challenge. Williams, Seneca Wallace, Davis, Harris, and Zambrowski. 3 rookies. Johnson, Falk, Warren, Bell, Furry, Drew Brees own the game. Good time to get that. Jackson, Green, Moss, Merriweather, Darby. Ha! The videotape and chat. Williams, Romo, Manning, McGahee, Favre, number 37. Ryan, Samuel, Carricker, Palmer, and John Beeson. Green, Dylan, Hujmanzada, Bettis, Matthias, Checklist, and a Peyton Manning Ring of Honor. Postseason, Breeze, Vic, Branch, and Colby Smith. Jones, Smith, Barber, Jones, Winslow, Gale Sayers, Daniel Tomlinson, running back royalty. June, Day, Griffin, Allison, and Greg Olson. Curry, Harris, Arrington, Heward, Brunell, Marquise Colston, 1686. Postseason, Tomlinson, Parker, Kenny Irons, and Ryan Cahill. Postseason, Lewis, Randall L. Colston. Postseason, Wayne, Ron Landry, Rookie Fantasy Challenge. Chambers, Davenport, Palco, Milner, and Rouse. Gotta love that Landry. That helped win me one of the weeks for when Topps was running that Fantasy Challenge. Pollard, Ali, Mason, Lundy, Ferrier, Favre, number 47. Checklist. Johnson, Thomas, Delhomme, Meacham, and Ross. Bolger, Bailey, Branch, Rivers, Taylor, Bailey, Reed, Johnson, Beck, Harnell, and Ahmad Bradshaw rookies. Suggs, Franks, Harrison, Rhodes, Henry, Jammer, Little, O'Neal, Shockey, Jackson, and Bradley rookies. Campbell, Palmer, Cutler, Dawkins, Holt, Gene Hickson, Hall of Fame. Scaife, Buckhalter, Gaddis, Taylor, and Marshawn Lynch rookies. Last pack for the first half. Probably due for another insert. Curtis, Greasy, Gamble, Brooks, Sproles, Horn, checklist. Bruce, Alex Smith, Reggie Wayne, Anthony Gonzalez, and Darrelle Revis. That's how we ended the last box. So, I think these are pretty much, the cards are actually in order if you were to actually analyze it. But Gore, Young, Hester, Taylor, Colston, LT, running back royalty. Henry, Smith, Meeby, Calvin Johnson, and the Yamar figures. Norwood, Cornell, Bryant, Schobel, Houston, Garrard, Breeze, Bowler, Moore, Moss, Wright, and Stanbag rookies. Freeney, Carr, Jones, Clayton, Smith, postseason, Patrick Willis, Fantasy Challenge, Gates, highlights, Hill, Joe Thomas, and Brian Leonard. Yeah, hopefully it's pulling AP. Booker, Burgess, Manning, Caldwell, Perry, Favre, 83. Checklist. Maroney, Washington, Clayton, Peterson, right there. Hughes. Kind of called it. Too bad you can actually hear the packs ripping, but. Burris, Harrison, Peyton, Manning, Harrison, Wayne, Steve Smith, Copper, 1710. Tomlinson, Cotchery, Jarrett, Houston, and Chris Henry. Although I'd love to see it, I've had boxes of this with multiple Adrian Peterson's, Brookings, Stallworth, Harrington, Culpepper, Bennett, Robbie Gould owned the game, Newman, Cooley, Washington, Spencer, and Burgess. This pack actually seems light. Holmes, Edwards, postseason, Palomalu, Barber, Michael Irving, Jenkins, Carter, Nelson, Trent Edwards, and Jonathan Wade. Jackson, Davis, Vilma, Stevens, Fiazzo, Robinson, Wembley, Grukowski, Brown, Johnny Lee Higgins, and Lamar Woodley rookies. This might be another heavy pack, but how's that for another AP? Rookie Fantasy Challenge. So let's get back to doing an order. Postseason. Gore, Lewis, Johnson, Barber, McAllister, Fry, Marshall, Harris, Patrick, and Troy Smith. 3 packs left. Wade, Williams, White, McAllister, Merriman, Fard, number 32. Wilford, Bell, Clemens, McDonald, and Dwayne Wright. So, probably got my 4 Fards for the box, so not expecting any more there. Davis, White, Drones, Hasbeck, Brady, Parker, Merriman, Johnson, Irons, Poslinski, and Steve Smith for the Giants as rookies. Morris, Duckus, Williams, Kitna, Thomas, Bledsoe, Checklist, Williams, Walter, Hawk, Everett, and Pittman. Finish off the box, and my remote is buried.